In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google AI Studio to GitHub. To get started, open your browser and search for Google AI Studio. From the search results, click on the official Google AI Studio page so you can access your workspace. Once you're inside, look for the My Apps section. This is where your existing AI Studio projects are stored. From there, open the project you want to connect to GitHub. Make sure you choose the correct project, since this is the one that will be linked to your repository. After the project loads, find and click the Share option. In the sharing panel, you may need to click the right arrow to scroll through the available options until you see GitHub. When GitHub appears, click it. If you haven't already signed in to your GitHub account, go ahead and do that first before continuing. That step is important because Google AI Studio needs access to your GitHub account in order to create and connect the repository properly. Next, click Create New Repository. You'll then be asked to enter a repository name. Choose a clear and recognizable name so it's easy to identify later, especially if you plan to manage multiple projects. After that, type in a repository description. This part is optional in some workflows, but it's a good way to explain what the repository is for. Now choose the visibility setting for the repository. You can select private if you only want limited access, or public if you want others to be able to view it. Once everything looks right, click Create GitHub Repository. After the repository is created, the final step is to click Stage and commit all changes. This saves your current project files and prepares them for GitHub so the connection is fully established. And that's it. Your Google AI Studio project is now connected to GitHub, making it much easier to track changes and manage your work going forward.